Investigating the effects of perceived value and trust on customer loyalty towards foreign banks in Sabah, Malaysia. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The liberalization of the Malaysian banking industry has attracted a number of foreign banks to open branches in the country, putting the local banking industry under competition. Foreign banks such as Standard Chartered, HSBC, OCBC, and Bangkok Bank have been here for decades, surviving and remaining successful despite numerous restrictions. Newer banks such as Al Rajhi Bank and Kuwait Finance House have also joined in this increasingly competitive landscape. This study focused on factors influencing customer loyalty in foreign banks at Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Customer loyalty has been shown in previous research to play an important role in deciding a bank's competitive advantage. This study examined the level of customer loyalty towards foreign banks in Malaysia and investigated whether factors such as perceived value and trust influenced loyalty. The information was gathered from 239 foreign bank customers in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, who completed a self-administered survey questionnaire. Customer loyalty is above average, with a mean of 4.86 on a 7-point Likert scale, and both perceived value and confidence have positive and important effects on customer loyalty, according to the findings. Implications of the study are discussed and suggestions for future research are provided. Globalization has brought major changes to the financial sector, especially as banks and financial institutions expand across borders to remain competitive, increase efficiency, and manage risks better. In Malaysia, the central bank introduced regulations in 2001 to strengthen local financial institutions and manage foreign involvement in the sector. These regulations shaped how foreign banks operate in the country, ensuring balanced growth and access in different areas. As competition intensifies, financial institutions face growing pressure to boost profits while maintaining strong relationships with their customers. In this competitive environment, banks need to find ways to attract new customers and, more importantly, keep the ones they already have. Customer loyalty has become a key factor in the success of financial institutions, as loyal customers are more likely to return, recommend services to others, and be less sensitive to price changes. However, gaining customer loyalty isn't easy, especially since there's no clear agreement on what drives loyalty in commercial banks. One of the main challenges is understanding what customers truly value. Research suggests that the way customers perceive value and trust in a bank plays a major role in how loyal they are. If banks can offer real value and build trust, they are more likely to keep their customers happy and loyal. This study focuses on exploring how perceived value and trust affect customer loyalty, which is critical for banks to stay competitive and grow in today's market. In today's highly competitive market, banks must focus on keeping their customers loyal by improving service quality, building trust, and offering valuable products. Customer loyalty is key to a bank's long-term success, as it reduces the cost of attracting new clients and helps maintain a strong customer base. This study highlights the importance of understanding what drives loyalty, especially customer satisfaction, perceived value, and trust. It recommends that banks improve customer relationships through better service, staff interaction, and tailored products. Loyalty programs can also help retain customers by rewarding long-term engagement. Future research should look at more factors influencing loyalty and explore other service industries like hospitality and telecommunications. Ultimately, when customers are satisfied and feel valued, they are more likely to stay loyal, helping banks stay competitive and grow in a challenging business environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.